Rumba Guaguanco, class number 3. We start pushing a bit more, steps still quite simple, just a bit different. If you haven't watched the previous classes, cards as usual, and there are 2 previous classes with other basic steps. Go through them. When you learn them, come back to this class. The first step we are going to show you is a toe heel cross step. Pretty simple step, but when it's arranged in rumba, in general it comes from rumba. It comes, if people dance it in salsa, most likely they learned it during rumba classes. In rumba, it has additional aspect, and it's a rhythmical aspect. We can do the same steps in rumba in different tempos. Rumba gives you this ability. So first we'll show you the step. I start with the left leg and I touch the floor with the toe, then with heel, and then we cross in front. Okay, now how this works. First of all, you're touching with toe and heel more or less at the same place. So ting and cuckoo, ting and cuckoo, ting and cuckoo. Now your knee is rotating with it. Knee inside and outside, inside and outside, inside and outside. Upper body, arms, opposite to your knee. So when knee is outside, arms are to the right. When knee is inside, arms are to the left. So kung, kinki, kung, kinki, kung, kinki. Okay? So in the rhythm, we'll show you first the slow version. So it will 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. That will be the rhythm. So it's 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and cross 5, 6. Now we're right. 1, 3, 5, and again 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, 5. Okay, let's start Ola maybe slightly more back, that we are still visible in camera, because with this step we will travel a bit front. We'll try to make steps as small as possible, so you'll still be able to see us from front, and we'll repeat this twice. Let's start with one rumba basic. 5, 6, 7. 1 toe heel cross. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5. And now twice fast. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. A bit crazy. So the same thing with clave. Pa 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 tiki pa and go pa 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 tiki pa 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 tiki pa 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 tiki pa pa hop tiki pa pa tiki pa pa. Okay, step number 2. We'll go with our tap step, the step in a spot, but we'll travel backwards. Ting, cuckoo, ting, ting, cuckoo, ting, cuckoo, ting, king, cuckoo, ting, cuckoo, ting, king, cuckoo. Again, 1, 3, 5, 7. This is very useful step. If it happens that you will join a live rumba dance, so there are musicians who are playing and there are people who are randomly joining the rumba. Very often, boy is asking the girl, and they are going inside of the circle together using this step. And then to get out, they can do exactly the same. Move out. So very useful step. It is also a useful step when you want to take a rest, because rumba is very fast dance, and it's danced quite often in waves. There is wave when you are going very, very dynamic and exciting, and there is a wave when you're catching your breath, slowing down a bit, and this step is very, very useful. And from our perspective, because we landed quite a lot in front, with right leg across in front, from here we'll go back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 4th time 1, 3, 5, 7. So 4 times we'll move backwards, or should we make it 2? Yeah, we'll make it 2 because of the space. Yeah, sorry. So we'll make it just twice. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Just to make sure that for the next part you will see us properly. Okay. Step number 3 then. We'll walk to the left. but we'll walk in a specific way. I walk to the left with heel up and I stand on toe. Now, I will join the right foot and I will go on toe again, and at this point, the left will go down, like, and then we'll do it again. Tingy and goom. Tingy and goom. Tingy and goom. This is a very specific way of walking, more used in Rumba Colombia, but because we want to cover more solo steps in Guaguanco, it is used a lot as well, and you'll be able to use it in salsa later on as well. Very, very useful step. Okay, so let's travel to the left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. Okay, I think this is a bit too slow tempo, so we'll do it 1, 3, 5, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. That will be a lot better tempo. So again, the same as with toe heel cross, this step can be used in different tempos. Yeah? So okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 5, or 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now with arms and upper body, this step gives you massive options. So from girl perspective, we'll go with hips. We'll go with hips. Yeah. So hip goes opposite to your foot. So you go kung, king, king, and kung, and chest forward. Proud movement, girls. And thing. You can go with hands on your hips as well. This is the safest, the simplest option. Guys, at the same time, I would like you to shake. There are multiple ways again. You can go kung, 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 and kung, 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 and kung, 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 kung. Okay, I'm now doing too much. So we go simple, just shake and walk to the left. 5, 2 8s, 2 8s. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Very good coordination exercise as well. Now we'll come back. Coming back will be not as simple because the first step will be in a spot. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, and 7. We stay in a spot as well. Or even if you open a bit, that doesn't matter that much because from here we'll come back to basic in a spot. So 2 8s to the left, 2 8s to the right. For come back, you can do this as well. So instead of no, to come back, we can do similar styling as well. So now with left leg, right arm, 1, 3, 5. Okay, one more time. Yeah. Well, first one goes in spot. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 1, 3, 5, 7. So yeah, you can still keep hands on your hips behind your waist is good as well, guys. Trousers, tiki. Okay, you see me in the front camera. Yeah. King, cuckoo, king, cuckoo. Okay. Walk to the left first. Girls hips, guys shake. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5 and spot. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 1, 3 and 5 and spot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So it's left, right, left, right. All I was asking to show the transition one more time. So first to the left, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. We finished with the right. Now transition with the left, and then open. But yeah, left leg, right shoulder. So from here, 5, 6, 7. And now I start with the left leg, right shoulder, right leg, left shoulder, opposite, 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 proud, big. Okay? I think that's quite clear. So one more time, our sequence from the beginning. Slow toe heel cross twice, fast toe heel cross twice, walk back with basic in a spot twice, walk to the left twice with shake and hip skills, and come back to the right with shoulders. Let's put it in a loop. When it's good, we'll go with music as well. Okay, 5 basic side, 1 toe heel cross, slow 6, 7, ting, ting, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 3, 5, and again 1, 3, 5, and 1, 3, tempo. Tung tung pa, tung tung pa, tung tung pa, tung go back. Pa pa, tiki pa, walk left. Pa 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 pa. One more pa pa and pa and pa and spot and go and pa and basic side and pa and pa pa. Okay, one more time. We'll do the same, and I'll sing clave. Pa basic. Pa go and pa and pa and pa and pa tempo. Pa and pa and pa and pa and pa. Walk left, hop and pa and pa opposite and pa and pa and spot and hop and pa basic hop and pa and pa hop. Music. I like potatoes, I don't like carrots. I like potatoes, I don't like carrots. One. Ta 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 ta. Basic. And let's go. Tempo. Hop. 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 We'll do it again. Basic. Yeah, we'll go a bit back. And go. Tempo. Hop. Left. Tick, 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 tick. Change. And spot. And basic. I'll change the song so you can have different instruments and probably tiny bit faster. Now we have congas. Tum 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 tum. Tum 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 tum. Now it's important to remember that clave is playing opposite to congas. Pa pa kum 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 pa kum 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 pa kum kum kum. Pa I kum kum pa I kum kum. And we start with clave. Congas are going opposite side. And we go. Hop. And back. Walk left. Hop. 1, 3, 5, 7. One more. 3. Hop. Reverse. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1. Hop. Basic. Should I try like really fast loop? Fast, yeah. We'll try one more very fast. One. We go. Hop. 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 Kachan. Walk left, walk right, left. One more. Right. Basic. Tap spot and walk left. Yeah, well, I already started the step I wanted to do. Reverse. Spot. Okay, we played around a bit. Obviously, you have the previous videos if you would like to redo slower the steps that we did in the end. Next time, we'll show you what Bakuna is about and all this attack, defense actions, what this is about and how we dance that. So that will be in the next episode. If you would like to watch it, thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell next to subscribe button. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and you can become a patron of our channels. All links in description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.